All right, and we're back. Today's video is just going to be a quick unboxing. We're still in a nice cold stretch, if you want to call it nice. Low 40s every day. It's a little too much for trying to work in the garage. In any case, let me get to the point. Let me unbox this, and we'll show you what we got. Okay, all right, he did a good job wrapping it. And let's bring it out. Hands on it here. All right, very good. Now, as you can see, this is a touring air cleaner. Here's the back. All right, it's got a lot of the bolts and stuff are inside. I'm not going to bother opening it right now. So basically what it is, if you look on your softail air cleaners, you'll find out, especially the round ones, okay, like the Sport Glide has, like your softail standard, some of like the Fat Boy, the Deluxe, anything that has the round air cleaner, all right, the round air cleaner. If you look at the backing plate has a small hole in the very bottom, about that big, all right? And what it is that hole is where it sucks in the air for the engine. And if you look at where it's located, it's right in the V, okay? It's located right in the bottom of the V. So it's sucking in engine heat. So on my research, I started looking around because I always like to run the stock Harley air cleaners. Generally, I go with a round one. But in this case, I chose the Milwaukee 8 Touring AC. And the reason being is because, as you can see, that sucks air from the front. There is no hole in the bottom where it can pick up air. So I was researching, and what I found was that it's the same throttle body, the same bolt numbers, the same gasket numbers. It's just a different design air cleaner. And I said, well, there's no reason why this won't fit on the Sport Glide or any other softail for that matter. So I did a little more research, and then I actually went on the Harley forums and I posted a quick question like, hey, has anybody used a touring air cleaner on their bike? Theoretically, it should work because the gaskets are the same, the bolts are the same, the throttle body's the same. And I had one guy get back to me. I think his name's Old Mike, and he's got a lowrider, I think it is, or lowrider ST. And sure enough, he has this unit on there. Now, he went for performance. He went for an Arlen Ness, I think, backing plate with this cover assembly. I don't need that. I'm not looking for the horsepower. You know, I'm sure there should be a gain because technically, again, you're pulling cooler air in from the front, then down at the base of the V where where it's sucking a little bit of air. So you have all this surface to pull air in, as opposed to a little tiny oval hole. So I'm going to go ahead and install this touring air cleaner because I am sure that it's going to do the trick and give me a little bit better flow along with the 909, and then I am going to order a tuner for it. I just haven't decided which one. But obviously you'll see an unboxing and an install when the time comes. So as soon as the weather warms up, I will be installing this, and I'll do a complete how-to video on how to do the swap over. All right. With that said, that's the end of today's video. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Definitely subscribe if you want to see the install on this. Make a comment if you've done this swap yourself, or if you think it's a good idea. Just, all comments are welcome. All right. And thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. One quick thing I forgot to add. Got this unit off of eBay. It's a brand new takeoff, had 60 miles on it, $40 shipped. So there's a brand new air filter in it. Again, everything is there that I need to install it to the bike except for the main breather bolts. Where it mounts the backing plate to the head. But Again, it's the same part number, so my Softail Sport Glide ones will definitely fit. But I paid $40 for it. Got a brand new air filter. Air filter alone's probably close to 30. So for $40 shipped, can't go wrong. All right.